Hello, welcome to Techno Analyst. Today we will see how to run audit trail utility, which I created with the help of ChatGPT. So in this enterprises audit utility, we will see how to run the enterprises audit utility, about its feature and functionality. At the end, we will also see how to uninstall the audit utility. Let's start. So first, about this enterprise audit utility is a GUI-based enterprise audit utility, works on Windows Server, generates HTML and CSV reports. This is ideal for IT admins and auditors, especially security auditors. So it will provide you the standalone system or server detail, like their hardware detail, their network and audit IP detail, like system hardware details, network and IP configuration and its details, installed programs, like in control panel, which program is installed in that system. It will give you all details with their publisher and versions. Also, it will provide you the domain information and storage, HDD drive or SSD drive, which drive you are using, and OS details also it will provide you. In these reports, it will generate HTML report, which is a full audit report. In CSV report, you will get installed programs report. That will you will get that in to HTML also, but in CSV you can give some alignment or create a table, proper table. For that, uh, I just use CSV format for installed program reports. And this report, this install program report will match with your control panel install program reports. So before we will start, I just wanted to tell you one important information. This utility which I created in ChatGPT is completely free. You can use it, but in that favor, I just wanted to tell you that please subscribe to my channel, so I will get motivated and create a more utility and more things for create for free for you. So please subscribe to Techno Analyst. So this is how this utility looks like. You have to click on Run Audit, and after that you have to click on Export HTML report and Export CSV report, where you will get installed program list. I will start the installation of this enterprise audit utility. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is the setup file. Just double click on the setup file. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. It is installed on your system. Now on check on desktop, you will get one icon called enterprise audit utility. Just run this shortcut. Click on run audit. Audit completed successfully. Now you can export HTML or CSV. So first we will export HTML. The moment you click on export file in HTML, you will have to mention the file name to save the file. I will create as a sample HTML. I will give name as a sample HTML. HTML report export successfully. Click OK. Now we export in CSV format. There we also in sample CSV and save. CSV successfully. Now first we will check sample HTML report. See here you can see the host name, IP details, operating system detail, processor, installed RAM, and graphic card. It is not available. Workgroup domain, it is not a part code workgroup, so not available. Product is not available over here, so it is NA. Drive and storage details. You will get all the C drive, D drive, or if you insert any pen drive, that will also mention over here. Drive models, network interface, you will get all the network interface over here along with a Bluetooth and VPN connection or any other connection or loop back connection. Also you will get all the user and group data like users, admin, administrator, groups, which are the groups which is created. Antivirus, if antivirus installed, it will give you the information about the antivirus. Install programs, here you will get the install programs with their publisher and version name with the program name.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.